spinner guy. I know, right? Him? 화이팅. You guys want to see my spinner collection? This is my Indie Thick Chelsea M. Number 1. All that you need. This is my Indie Thick Yeti. It's just like titanium. It looks like a little gummy bear, actually, kind of. So there's that. There's this one. That's the Chelsea M that I just showed you. This is my Indie Thick Bronze Yeti. This one's like way heavier. That's my Indie Thick. How many do you have? I have a lot. I'll show you guys some of them though. These are called sliders. Now, what they do is, hear that? So it's like a little magnetized to slide, and then you just kind of fidget around with it. So there's that. And then there's the last thing I have to show you guys is my compo form. This is a slider as well. There's a slider as well. This is called the Crystal Tie V5. This is known as the Ferrari of sliders. It sounds like this. It's like a little crystal-y color. They're just, dude, they're just fidgets. The Ferrari. How much I want? I don't think you could buy this anymore. This was a one-time order. These are very limited. But whoops. This is from Compoform. So if you're looking for fidgets, I would suggest looking on Facebook and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Where can I buy similar? I don't know if you could buy similar anymore. There's like there's way cheaper ones. Like let me see. There's like a cheaper one. Like as loud. Sorry, I have like these trays of them. I've realized that I run through hobbies a little quickly. It's a bit of a problem, but we'll make do. We will make do. Found some on like, oh, I forget. I found some on like Amazon. Sliders. Okay. Just regular sliders. I think this is like $10. But I have a site for you guys if you guys wanna, you know, like maybe I'm interested, maybe I'm not. There's this place called Haptic EDC that makes 3D printed sliders. They are so fire. Oh, right here. So these, I think this one was like $30, but it's like very satisfying. Like the click is like, you know what I'm saying? It's like live on TikTok. It's like a really satisfying click. It's just something that you're just carrying around, especially if you have like crazy ADD like I do. And you just like, I don't know. Now that I have them, I can't live without them. Like I'm in bed just like watching a YouTube video the whole time. Unk, drop the TikTok shop link. Uh, no, actually, okay. So they were saying, people were saying that people use these in order to like these fidget toys help you from bad habits, like when you're like trying to bite off your nails and stuff. Yeah, the fidget trend was a long time ago. Um, I would assume that if you're trying to quit smoking, it also helps, but for me, it's just mostly the ADD. I just like without even thinking about it, I'm just like always spinning this, just like while I'm talking, and for some reason, it just scratches like a certain itch. Exactly. Okay, so I got these, and you know what? You guys know how I used to always like pick at my mustache and stuff? I completely stopped. Let me get you guys a little thing for this. Barely thought your life would change, but you're shot on. I just use my pens to be honest. Well, I mean, you shouldn't really be biting anything. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they're like 40 bucks actually. But I'll be real, like bang for the buck is pretty good. Cause like if you really go into sliders and like that world, like this is called the Magnus Mag Lab, it's called the Toad. This thing is expensive. Yeah. I mean it's just like a little thing, you know? There's like a glowy one that you can get.